everyone, I am Hafsa Sheikh and I am here at Manaka, Santa Cruz West to take an interview of the owner regarding their fashion boutique. What intentionally draw your attention to fashion industry?
Fashion is a very versatile thing. I mean, nothing draws your attention, your passion takes you towards fashion. So I had a passion to dress well since the childhood. No one is from that industry in my house or around me, but always wanted to be seen in my family or amongst my friends. So there was a passion to dress well, and then later on I used to work on designs, do some sketches, do some drafts. I haven't learned like you guys have done, but at the same time fashion was in my blood, so that's how I entered into the field of fashion, and nothing as such, nothing from the academic field.
Okay. What are your favorite fashion trend nowadays?
Nowadays, streetwear is quite into fashion. Lanky clothes, longer t-shirts, loose t-shirts with a lot of prints, cord sets. Then cargos is quite in fashion now, like a technical cargo, what we are doing in Manaka. So I own this brand called Manaka. So this is something which is like a retail outlet, but I have a brand which is Manaka.in, which is online, and it's doing great sales in streetwear category. So that category is quite popular now in the market, and that's the top down in fashion.
What inspired to take a career in fashion?
So there is no career as such, but fashion is a huge market. Whether you say Tata, Birla, Ambani, everyone started with fashion, like with clothing retail. And clothing retail is a very big sector. Clothing and accessories is now something which is like boom of this thing. Like hospitality is a boom, fashion is also one of the boom in the market.
How do you see the role of technical evolution in fashion industry?
Without technical evolution, there can't be any fashion. For everything you do, you need to make a tech pack. Fashion is not just creating a product, it is about the technicalities of the product also. The size, the pharma, everything matters. So without technical knowledge, you cannot get into a fashion field.
Okay. Which celebrity do you think you have a better sense of style?
I think Ranveer Singh is the guy who basically can dress in any category. If you just give him a normal plain tee, he would sum up and match it up with a very good pair of jeans or a cargo or something. If he wears a cargo and a oversized tee, he is summing up, and he's a great fashion inspiration in the market, because he can even carry a dhoti or a lehenga or any this thing, and that's how he's like a fashion inspiration for the fashion industry.
How do you define fashion?
Fashion is defined with it's a very long and a very broader perspective of definition. But fashion is something which you can carry and which you can talk about on your own body. So basically, whatever you wear is something you speak about your own self.
What skill do you think are essential for someone who are pursuing career in fashion?
You should be very systematic in terms of fit, in terms of material, understanding of the material, in terms of designs, which is like a major thing, and you should always look at the forefront where you're thinking that आगे 1 साल बाद 5 साल बाद क्या होने वाला है. अब अभी कॉट सेट चल रहा है, आगे उसमें कौन से फर्मा चलेंगे, टेक्निकली वो कैसे बराबर से उसको बनाना है, वो चीज़ें का नॉलेज होएगा. नॉलेज इज द पावर ऑफ फैशन बेसिकली, एंड टेक्निकल नॉलेज शुड बी देयर, एंड उसी पे आदमी को ध्यान देना चाहिए.
Okay. Can you decide a fashion trend which are trend or styling that will be seeing in future?
What fashion trend?
Fashion or styling, some kind of like bohemian or
I believe streetwear, bohemian, then vintage, all they go hand in hand. Ethnic and all is something which is going to be all round the year, क्योंकि हमारा इंडियनिज्म में ethnic काफी ये है. But streetwear is now the talk of the town. उसके साथ आप बोहेमियन, विंटेज क्लोथिंग को साथ में अटैच कर दोगे. फिर उसके बाद लूज क्लोथ जो पहले चलते थे, विंटेज इज अगेन बैक इन एक्शन. सो विंटेज जो थॉट है वो ही वापस से आया है. आप जो भी कर रहे हो विंटेज थॉट से ही आगे जा रहा है अभी.
One last question. What are your long-term goals in fashion industry and how do you are planning to do it?
Long-term goals for Monaca is that I become the streetwear guru of India and open a lot of stores and give technical and futuristic fashion to the industry at the right price where everyone can afford that and they can style themselves.
Thank you
So much. Thank you.
It was nice to meet you.
Pleasure talking.